Hello everyone, I hope you've all had a wonderful month. For those of you who are new, my name is Olivia, and in today's video I will be revealing and wrapping with the June 2023 Scarf of the Month. Now, before I get started with all the wrap fun, the Scarf of the Month is a benefit of the Wrap Royal and Wrap Legends levels of the Wrapunzel membership. More information about the membership can be found in-app or on site under the little person icon. It has its little own drop-down under the little person, there's a drop-down menu, and it says membership. So for this month, they surprised us with something really exciting, something that we'll be able to use in a lot of different wraps throughout the year, something that's very versatile, and I've been looking forward to creating this video for you to show it to you. I have removed the scarf and accessory from the wrappings because I find that the crinkling noise is annoying, so everything is laid out in front of me. After I've revealed these, I will do a wrap or two with it, and then I will show you some fun options of pairings with this one. I did skip one scarf that I wanted to pair with it. I'll probably do a separate video with that just to show it to you because I forgot it upstairs and my son is currently sleeping, so I can't get it for you. But we're going to start off with the accessory. The accessory for this month is this beautiful headband. I'm digging the headbands, and this particular one has beautiful little stones on it. It's super soft, and very stretchy. So for those of us with really big heads or who like to wear really big shapers or a combination of the two, this is going to work really well. Now, if you didn't want to see the sparkles, you could wear it backwards and you wouldn't see the sparkles, but why? The sparkles are gorgeous. See? It's beautiful. It's a lovely white color. And then the scarf is a Striped Delights. Now, this is I believe, an exclusive Striped Delights color for the Scarf of the Month. It is this beautiful red color, and it's just in time for the 4th of July. I have here all those beautiful colors inside. You have a bit of the red and the blue, some yellow, some white. There's even some turquoise and I believe some lime green. It's like a dark lime green in there. And these scarves are absolutely amazing and super versatile. You can wear them by themselves. You can wear them with other scarves without them being super heavy, especially as we're in the summer now. In the northern hemisphere, in the northern hemisphere, we are in summer, so it's hot. But yes, we can combine them and create different looks. So this is really awesome. I've also combined these with pashminas in the winter time, and they look really great. So, excuse me. Now I'm going to take off my wrap here, and we can get started with the wrapping fun. I'm going to do like I said, I'm going to do a couple of different wraps with it, and then I'm going to show you a fun, something fun with the combining different scarves with it. Okay, here I have on a fully stuffed Wendy. All right. I'm going to start off by putting scarf on even. Just like so. I'm just doing a crisscross. This one probably would be good to do a knot in the back, but it would take too much time. I'm going to bring up at an angle towards the back. Just give it a drop. And just give it a drop. Now this is just a simple veil style with it, and I think this looks amazing. As you can see. Now, I can style this several ways. I'm going to twist this a little bit. I can put the headband over top. You can see this. so. And just kind of tuck this piece in underneath. And adjust. So we get this really cute little veil. It's not super long, so it gives you the veil look without it just getting in the way and being annoying. Okay, or same style, and let's see if we can adjust this front. Okay. I can adjust to the side. Like so. Okay. I can bring up and create that veil style again. Like so. Now, bear in mind that we want to keep track of where that tag is and not have it showing in our look. Okay, so like so. And now for this piece, I would just take a pin, a straight pin, and pin it in place. So that gives you the same veil style, but you have a bit of contrast with this white headband, like so. It's super, super fun. I like that. Now, keeping the scarf the same, I'm going to bring this down. I mean, I have to get all my words out today. Keeping the scarf on centered, I'm going to put this in the middle. Bring this, just adjusting headband. Okay. Instead of a veil, we'll bring the two tails up, just covering the back of the headband. Okay, just like so. And just tucking. And I just took the back piece. You could leave it open like this, or just tuck it. And it can be a little messy because it's fun. It's fun sometimes to have a bit messy. Okay. All right. Now, let's change it up a bit. And take this down. Okay. Move this. I'm going to put the headband like so. I'm kind of gathering, I want to cover my shaper, so I probably will pull the shaper back just a little bit. But I'm crinkling this up, and I'm having it slightly off center. Slightly, I'm having it off center, like so. Okay, there. Now I'm going to put on my scarf, and I think we're going to have the short tail come out on this side, so on the left. Just like so. And I'm going to give it a good twist. Oops, no, I don't want to do that. Wrong direction. There we go. I'm going to adjust this to be a little bit smaller. Create something super fun and cute. Like so. Make sure we get it covered nicely in the back. There we go. Okay, I'll spin around. Okay, so let's talk about pairings. Now, I pulled out some Tough 2-in-1s to show you. This scarf pairs really super well with the Tough 2-in-1s. I'm going to take it off my head. I pulled out quite a few of them, and to show you that this really looked good with pretty much all of them. I have, of course, the white, like the headband that I have on my head, and I have this bright blue. This is super fun. Again, very patriotic feeling. Also, the navy would go lovely. I have this light purple. Light purple and red look really pretty together. And I do believe this is lavender. I have a bright teal. Bright teal and red are amazing together, and there's also some bright teal in this scarf right here. I have the yellow, because corn and ketchup, yes, they look lovely together. And there's some yellow bits in here as well. Now, orange, it's lovely. It's tone on tone, but it's still enough contrast to look nice. And you can see there's some orange right here in this scarf. And then pink. And there is a pink stripe in there as well. I believe it's like right in here. So combining with you have a rainbow of possibilities when it comes to combining. The scarf that I wanted to bring out for you was the scarf of the month for, I believe it was March, because I think they would look really beautiful together. I'll probably film that later today. But I think it would be amazing to combine those two together. So I'm just going to create one final wrap for you where I use the scarf of the month, the accessory, and one of the Tough 2-in-1s that I have here, because I think it would be super, super cool to do an over-the-top kind of fun wrap for you. Bear with me while I choose. I think I'm going to go with this one. I've been feeling teal and red a lot lately. They're just super pretty together. Now I'm going to start out with the teal. This is the bright teal Tough 2-in-1. I'm going to put this on. And I think I want to have a longer tail. So I'm going to go about evenish. Yes, that's better. Okay. They're just slightly, this one is slightly shorter than this one. Okay. I'm going to take the headband and I'm going to put it on. Okay, like this, just like that. Okay, and then our striped delights. And I'm going to put this on even, not quite that far forward. Okay, and I'm gathering up in the back. I'm doing the crisscross. Now, for this first side, bring it up and towards the back. Trying not to cover up all of that red, so maybe I'll bring this forward just a little bit more on the sides. There we go. Which means pull this through. Okay. Bring this up. And we're going to bring it up the red. Okay. Just twisting. I'm not rope twisting or rope braiding. I am just twisting around each other. I'm going to bring this to the back and I'm just tucking in. Just like so. And then I'm going to take these two do the same thing. I'm going to bring them up and I'm just going to tuck them away. So I have some twists and angles and I think I dig it. Okay, I'll just show you the side and the side and see if I can get a good look at the back. All right, now an observation I had, I'm going to adjust this because this is not far enough forward. We could also do like a really cool brooch here, or you can dial it up as much as you like, or dial, you know, like a little brooch. Have it a little more off center, a little bit more centered. It's really cute. I'm digging it. But yeah, and again, any combination of these scarves would have done really well. But yep, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. I certainly have enjoyed creating it for you, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a wonderful day.